Ako si Paulo Daet, Sable Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 10 meters. Printer head clean, nozzle check, punas ng wiper at capping after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Weekly waste stock disposal every Wednesday. EVR naka 220 volts. Ink storage, ito yung used, yung unused. Dito naman po yung Sable paper. Monitoring ng cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and yung Sable roll. Sable daily output monitoring. Printer daily check.